Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with an Allie Edwards haul. I am super excited. I believe this is my monthly kit and these were some extras. And I'm not 100% sure what I did, but let's just see. I know that there was a third little package within, so I'm just going to go from there. But, so this is more than likely the July kit. I love it when they get these pouches just a little bit bigger. Some of the pouches are so small and tiny, it's hard for me to get things in and out, and that's just a me thing. But okay, so I love the July set of stamps. July looks like this, and it's Starbucks and little details capturing life right now. Love all that. And that one says July Stories. Super, super cute. Okay, I am a fiend. I love these. I love letter stickers. I cannot wait to use these this next month. So super, super cute. Sunshine on my mind. Lazy, crazy, hazy. This land was made for. These are the days. Fireworks for all. Catching fireflies. Happiness comes in waves. You're my sunshine. Little details. Love it. Drenched in summer. Also, you get a card that's kind of a theme card, helps you out. May we think of freedom not as the right to do as we please, but as the opportunity to do what is right. And that's Peter Marshall. I don't know if that's the exact same Peter Marshall that I think it is. Peter Marshall that I'm thinking of was a pastor many years ago. I believe his daughter was Catherine Marshall, who wrote the book Christie. And for those of you who might be my age might remember the TV series Christie that was put out by Focus on the Family. Excellent series, perfect for kids. The book, I would definitely read it first as a parent, because it was difficult times, but an amazing, amazing story about a woman who went into the mountains, the Smokies, and was a missionary. And so she taught school, all of that, really amazing. But I believe I'm going to stop. I'm so drawing a blank. I have to go back and reread the book. It's been it's been over 20 years. Okay, so with these kits, you also get these 3x4 cards. July looks like this, little details. And then you also get the larger details, the larger cards. There's a lot to go through, so I'm not going to bust this open. But these are just excellent journaling cards that fit perfectly in your drop sleeve or any other kind of planner you're working with. And you'll have to excuse me, I've got a new camera set up. Let me see if I can kind of show y'all over here. And I'm super excited about it. But hold on, let me see. I'm trying to figure all this good stuff out. But just forgive me. I'm trying, and I'm hoping that the video is not messing up. All right, so I also got the chipboard stickers, July Joys. Not all storms come to disrupt your life. Some come to clear your path. You know what? We had something happen last night, and I couldn't agree more. That is exactly. It will be months and months of work, but it's okay. Sometimes you just have to have something happen to get you motivated to get things done, and that's what that was. So finding a new rhythm, sharing my very own story right here. Go see more stars today. Love it. And then, of course, you have all the decoratives. Also, this month came with all kinds of beautiful cork board, or cork word. Sorry for the noise. But I will tell you, these are gorgeous. So these are Celebrate. And I looked on the back. It doesn't look like there isn't any kind of peel and stick. Sometimes that helps. But you can just use your glue or you can just slip it in. Sunshine. Love that. And, pardon me, Summer. And Relax. So cute. And Play. How perfect is that? So we are in the process of making our bucket list, and we are super excited. After being in for over 15 months, by the time we go out, it'll be 16 months. So July looks like a lot of fun, and we've had some wonderful support, people who've reached out and said, come stay in our empty house, come do this, come do that. And just friends that I've been missing. And so I'm super excited to go see one, especially down on the coast, which, of course, the coast is a double blessing. So, all right. So these are some of the add-ons that you can add on to your kit. This is something extra, so I'll look at that in just a minute. So here are some little acrylic sheets I'm super excited with. Let me see. I love these because they don't take up much bulk. So it says, love this month. Sun, please. Okay, sun. And of course, we're down here in Texas where sun is a big deal. So you make me happy when skies are gray. And I have to tell you, I'll take sunny days any day over cold days. I'm that girl. So sweet, lovely days. And when I say that in Texas, we can be in the hundreds like that. Okay, summertime is always the best of what might be. So I love that. And I thought these were really neat. So you guys know we're a multicultural family. You know, yeah, let me just leave it there. So I saw these and I just thought, oh, I love these. But they're the little hands of, you know, everybody. And I love that. So that means the world to me. Yeah. So very, very beautiful. Very sweet. I love that. And yeah. So that would be a neat card. That'd be great in your scrapbooking. It's everywhere. Journal, all the whole thing. So, all right. And hold on. Sorry for the rattle. One last rattle. Oy, for this. Whoops. Oh, and these are just little kind of rubber. I thought these were just cute. I don't know. I just feel like life has been so serious for so long. People are so, oh, what's the word? Hypersensitive is a good word. So I just thought these were cute and funny. So goodness, I did not recognize that I was that far down. I'm so sorry with my camera. Hope I haven't missed anything for y'all. But super, super cute. I think those are fun. They're not very thick. They'll be perfect in my journal, in my scrapbooking. They will just literally fit right in. And or I just put a little adhesive on the back and they'll stick very nicely. Okay, so this I'm excited to see. Not quite sure what's in here. Looks like one little word. Okay, I don't remember ordering that, so I'll have to double check. Oh, I love these. Note to self. Well, that one's a little dirty, but we can cover that up with a sticker. And oh, those are nice quality little notepad. And the story I'm telling myself, taking a deep breath, inhale and exhale. This chapter is currently connecting, and things that matter most must never be as the mercy of things that matter least. And that is by Goethe. Okay, a quote. I am learning. Wow, this is, if you ever read my below, I am always saying I am learning. And that's the beauty of education. All right, the stories I'm telling myself, this word has been blank, and I'm just going to be thankful. Highs and lows from this adventure with my word. Now, no better time. Hard part, using my hands with my heart to connection with my word. Okay, easy part, taking a deep breath, inhale, exhale, unexpected, piece of my story. Things that matter most must never be at the mercy of things that matter least. And that's Goethe again. Very nice. Okay, I love, love, love those. Aren't those just gorgeous? They're just chipboard, sticky hearts, wonky hearts, and just a rainbow of colors. And I really like those colors. And note to self, keep showing up. I think this was a kit that was like a special release. I think when it came out, I must have like looked at it and clicked it and they added it to my order. Okay, keep going. You can do it. Be bold. Proud of you. Stand tall. Never give up. Get it done. Positive vibes. So super, super fun. Sorry, my bell just went off on my deal. I'll have to change that. Okay, so basically 2 kits, some extra add-ons, and really... If you don't know, these bags put out by Ellie Edwards are just so fantastic. I love them. Okay, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, this was the monthly plus an extra kit and some add-ons. What are you doing in your memory keeping today? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear. And most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Like, subscribe, leave, like I said, leave a comment what you're doing in your memory keeping, and are you up to date? And then also, yeah, share this if this would encourage anybody else. Okay, friends, again, pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely, and I will talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Be safe. Bye-bye.